Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check previous downloads on App Store. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you will have to open up the App Store on your iPhone. It doesn't matter that which iPhone you have or which iOS version you have. You can follow the exact same steps to find out the old apps or previously downloaded apps on your App Store. Now you'll have to click on your profile on the top right corner and then tap on purchased. That is the first option of the game center. And then you'll have to tap on not on this iPhone. And right here, you will be able to find the list of all the applications that were previously installed on your iPhone. And right now you have deleted them from your phone and you're not using them right now. And you can also install any one of these by tapping on this install button, and you'll be able to find all the history on this page. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video,